Oh my god. Pucha, ni-rape ako. Rape? Hey, what's up guys? A Burden here giving you another YouTube video. So guys, ngayon po ay maglaro po tayo ng Granny. Hindi siya 2D ha. Maayos kayo. Okay, sensitivity good. Where is Lolang Panot? Si Lolang Panot. Sarado natin yan. Yan. Tapos dito tayo. Oh my god, Lolang Panot. What you gonna do? Oh my god. Pucha, ni-rape ako. Rape? Pucha, rape. Tulong. Okay. We're gonna freaking finish this shit, ay Bombay. Tawa ka ng tawa dyan ha. Gusto mo kutungan kita? We need the melon. For what? For need to cut that. Ayop yan. Oh, we got the master key. Amazing. Wala naman tong kwenta. Stupid shit ay. Animal ka gani. So we got the remote there. So guys, dyan lang po tapos yung video na to. Comment down sa part 2. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like the video. Hope you enjoy this video. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe na kayo para makasali sa Team Chigoy. So right tayo dyan. Hotdog, cheese dog, kakalog-kalog. Alright, sayonara.